Let's get to know the features of Debutify Reviews. First is the dashboard. The dashboard is where you'll manage everything in one place. If you weren't able to fully set up the Debutify Reviews earlier, you can access everything here and more. Basically, you'll also see the ones we set up at the start. But again, this dashboard allows you to update settings and customize more. Here you can also have an overview of the statistics. This is where you can see how many emails were sent, scheduled, opened, and read. Next, we have the review request. When you click Set up Review Request on the dashboard, you'll be redirected to this. You can customize your setting on the initial setup we did earlier. Here's an important reminder. Make sure to check your email because Debutify Reviews will ask you to confirm your email sender's signature. You can edit your email information in this setting, like the sender's name and address. You can also edit the email templates, request timing, and review notifications. Let's talk about the email templates for a sec. There are ready-to-use email templates for different purposes, but if you want to make them on-brand, you can edit the email templates by clicking Edit Email Template to go to the template editor. The content of the email can be customizable, which means you can edit the columns, headings, text, images, buttons, dividers, and even insert HTML tags. You can also edit the blocks, colors, and images on the right side. Using colors to enforce brand identity through emails is essential for your branding. Don't forget to check the links and buttons to make sure you redirect customers to the right landing pages. And of course, save your template. You can also click Collect Reviews on the left sidebar where you can see all your existing email templates. Here are the types of email templates you can create. First, there's the Request email template. This is the one you'll use when you first ask for reviews. But what if a customer doesn't respond? No problem. We've got a follow-up email template that you can use to give them a gentle nudge. And if you want to sweeten the deal, we've got a coupon email template that you can use to offer a little extra incentive for customers to leave a review. And once you've got those reviews, you can use the review update email template to ask customers to update their reviews if they need to. If you want to show customers that you're paying attention to their feedback, we've got a review public email template that you can use to comment on customer reviews and a review private email template that you can use when you receive a bad review. With these templates, you'll be able to get more reviews and show your customers that you are listening. Then, let's talk about the review notification. You can enable your review notification setting if you want to keep being updated with the reviews you receive. You can set the minimum rating of reviews that Debutify Reviews will notify you of. The third feature of Debutify Reviews is for importing reviews. If you didn't get to import reviews during the initial setup, don't worry, because you can still do it by going to the Import and Export setting. Once you click that, you will see this. As we discussed earlier, you can manually import your reviews if you don't come from the platforms that I mentioned. Just make sure it's a CSV file. Aside from importing the reviews from other platforms and apps, you can also export your existing reviews. Fourth feature, Widget Customization. Another way to establish your brand identity is by customizing your review widgets. You can access this by clicking Settings on the left sidebar. The layouts available for widget customization are List, Grid, and Carousel. Widgets are highly customizable. You can edit the colors, layouts, and fonts and change them to your brand identity. Fifth, we have Review Widget. Let's go over each section. Review Creation. With our auto-publish setting, you have three options to choose from. First, there's the option to not automatically publish any reviews. This means that reviews won't be automatically displayed on your review widget. If you want to automatically publish all reviews that you receive, you can choose the second option. But if you want to be more selective, you can choose the third option to automatically publish reviews with a minimum rating. For example, if you want to hide reviews with a 1-star rating, you can set that as the minimum rating. This gives you the flexibility to only display the positive reviews and maintain a good image for your brand. If you do the initial setup, you probably already set the minimum rating to publish automatically. But you can always update the settings if you haven't yet or have changed your mind. Spam Guard. Next, use the Spam Guard to protect your brand from people who spam reviews. Spam Guard will mark a user as spam if they post 3 reviews using the same IP address within a minute. Another factor is if a user only leaves 1 or 2-star ratings in less than 1 week. If they do these, their IP address will be blocked. The profanity filter feature allows you to hide negative phrases and profanity in your reviews, which works wonders for your brand reputation. So in order for this to work, you need to list the keywords you want to add to your block list. The keywords can be negative phrases about your products or obscene language. You can also opt to disable the profanity filter and replace the blacklisted keywords with asterisks or automatically hide them. The voting feature will help you showcase your most helpful reviews, helping potential customers decide if they want to purchase your products. Voting allows customers to upvote or downvote reviews that they do find helpful. This will make your review Reviews more reliable because this badge will verify customers. If you want to display a verified review badge, you can enable this on your review widgets. Next is comments. You can interact with your customers by replying to their reviews. You can do it by replying publicly through the widgets or sending emails. To do this, you need to enter your store name and an avatar. The avatar can be your logo. You can also change the email templates when Debutify Reviews alerts users about your replies. Lastly, the review date will show or hide the date of reviews on review widgets. If you enable this setting, there are different date formats for you to choose from. You can choose based on your preference and what suits your brand. Our sixth main feature is the coupons. Coupons will help you generate more sales. So let's deep dive. This is where you can customize the settings of your coupon codes. So first, you need to enable it. Once you have enabled it, you can manage the review coupon setting. You can select the coupon discount type, discount value, coupon code, minimum requirement, and more. So some of you might be confused about the minimum requirement option. Minimum purchase means that they have to achieve a certain amount before using the coupon. None means users or customers can use the coupon without any conditions. While minimum quantity of items means they need to purchase a certain number of items before they can use the coupon. There are also different coupon types that you can use. Percentage off means customers will get a percentage off of their purchase when they reach their minimum requirement. While fixed amount means you can choose if customers will get $10 off of their orders when they reach your minimum requirement. You can set it based on your currency. You can also change how many times a coupon can be used, who can use it, and when it's valid. If you're not yet able to reward all your customers who leave reviews, you can set your reward conditions. You can choose between giving rewards to any reviewer or only to verified buyers. You can also choose which type of reviews to reward. All reviews, any review with a title and body, or any review with at least a photo or a video. Setting your reward conditions is vital because it gives you the advantage of choosing who is eligible for rewards. After setting your reward conditions, you can modify the email your customers will receive. You need to highlight the coupon code, reward conditions, and how much they need to spend to avail of the rewards. This way, it's easier to grasp what they need to know. Our next feature is integrations. To go to integrations, go to the left sidebar and you will see this. There are different integrations you can do with Debutify Reviews. There's Klaviyo under marketing and conversion, Aftership under orders and shipping, and Widget for store design. You can use automation flows in Klaviyo when you have positive or negative reviews. You can also send review requests through the platform. Here's how to integrate Klaviyo with Debutify Reviews. Go to your Klaviyo admin and copy your API key in settings and paste the public API key or site ID in the field above. Then there are two options for this integration. First, there's the option to send review requests through Klaviyo. This will allow you to send review requests only through Klaviyo. Of course, if you want to track new reviews in real time, you can choose the second option to send review events to Klaviyo. This option pushes an event when you receive new reviews. Plus, you can also set the threshold for positive reviews. You can choose to display all reviews or only reviews with a minimum of 2 up to 5-star ratings. This way, you can ensure that only the positive reviews are displayed and you can maintain a good image of your brand. Aftership. Timing is crucial in review requests, and Aftership can help you schedule review request emails according to the actual delivery dates instead of Shopify orders fulfillment. Integrating Debutify Reviews with Aftership is as easy as getting your Aftership API key, pasting it to the text field, then enabling it. Widget. If you have customers worldwide, the Widget integration helps you translate reviews to provide a multilingual experience to your visitors and customers. The best part? You can do it yourself. To integrate Widget with Debutify Reviews, first go to Widget project settings and copy your private API key. Then paste the API key in the text field and make sure you test to verify if everything works. Then click Enable. If you encounter any problems with integrations, you can contact support, which we'll get into later. Our next feature is managing reviews. You can see different settings when you go to your reviews. You can see the ratings, reviews, date, source, and status of the reviews. You can also see the actions you can take under Manage. Under the Manage dropdown, you can choose to unpublish a review, mark it as spam, and save it as a shop review. You can also view, move, export, and delete a review. If you want to see hundreds of your reviews on a single page, you can select if you're going to display 25, 50, 100, or 200 reviews. Debutify Reviews also lets you sort your reviews based on your preference. You can sort your reviews based on date, like oldest or newest first, or star rating like highest or lowest first. You can also go to advanced filters if you want a more granular setting. In this setting, you can filter reviews based on product, date range, star rating, status, review sources, visual media, and verified purchase. Advanced filters will make it more convenient for you to manage your reviews. Our last feature is support. Debutify Reviews can support you if you have questions too. You can get community support by joining our Debutify community's Facebook group, and you can also get an account and technical support through live chat to help fix your problems.